Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix storage limit exceeded error on the Hotmail or Outlook application. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to use the Hotmail or Outlook application, but when you open it up, you get an error telling you that your storage limit is exceeded and you are not able to send or receive any emails, then there are a few ways to fix this issue. The first thing that you can do is to delete all of your unwanted emails. Tap on your email account icon at the top left corner, and then from your email folders list, first of all look on the junk folder, which is also the spam folder. Once you tap on this, you can delete all of your spam emails by long pressing on one email and then tapping on all of them individually or the ones you don't need. You can also tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then tap on the select all button to select all of the emails, and then tap on the delete button and you will be asked whether you want to permanently delete these messages. You can tap on the permanently delete button and this will be removed and all of these messages will be deleted. You can also go into the deleted folder and clear all of your messages from this folder as well. From your inbox and other folders, you can also filter through the emails that you don't want anymore and long press on them and select each of them and then delete these as well. Make sure to clear your deleted folder after you delete all of your unwanted emails. Now, if this doesn't help or if this doesn't free up much storage, then from this menu, tap on the settings icon at the bottom left corner. Now, this will take you into the settings menu, from which you will be able to find the storage accounts option. From the storage account menu, you can simply tap on the add storage account option and you will be able to add any of your online storage, including your Google account. If you add your Google account to your Outlook, you will be able to use the storage from the Google Drive account that is associated with your Google email as well. So tap on the add storage account and add your Google email, and now you will be able to gain additional storage for your Outlook or Hotmail account. Otherwise, you will need to purchase more storage from OneDrive. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on fixing the storage limit exceeded error on the Hotmail or Outlook application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.